How to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on drafts. And check for the draft video in here. And if it's not available, check for it in your gallery. It may have been saved. If not, press on Profile. Click on the three lines at the top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Account. After you click on Account, click on Download Your Data. After you click on Download Your Data, here you'll find all these options. Simply select your activity and post. Press on Request Data. The data request is being processed. After it's done, it will be sent through mail, or you can come here and download data and simply save the file. There you'll find your deleted draft video. This is how to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.